In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unban someone from your Discord server. If this video does help you out, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Discord tips just like this. First, let's assume that someone has already been banned from your Discord server. To go ahead and unban them, go to the top left corner of your Discord server and click on the server name. From this menu that's going to appear, click on Server Settings, and then in this left-hand sidebar over here, you're going to want to scroll down until you see this little moderation section here. Go ahead and click on Bans. Now simply go ahead and find the user who you would like to unban, because this right here is going to be a list of every single person that you have currently banned. Essentially, just go ahead and click on their name, and then you're going to see this option to revoke ban. Simply go ahead and click on it, and you're good to go. But that's pretty much it. They're now going to be unbanned and can rejoin your Discord server. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.